Hey everybody, we are in the final week of the semester. It's week 15, and this week is really a light week for you guys. The focus is going to be on studying for your last exam, exam 4, and then just contributing to the discussion board, which is super easy this week. So the discussion is just, I want you to tell me what's the most interesting thing or area of psychology that you learned about in psych over the course of the semester. So was there something we learned about that stood out to you that you didn't know before, or something that you found useful, a particular area maybe of psych that piqued your interest? Just let me know what that was. And how do you feel that taking this course might help you in the future? I love to ask this because psych is one of those areas that it applies to everybody. There's something for everybody, especially in intro psych because it's covering such a vast and broad area. You're only touching on all the subfields of psychology, and I tried to mention each of those as we were going through the chapters, like what would it look like if you were taking a class in one of those areas, like social psych or cognitive psych or developmental psych. Because again, we're just scratching the surface here in intro, but sometimes that's all it takes to pique some interest. And then a student says, I really love developmental and I think I want to go find out a little bit more about that. So I would encourage you, even if you're not a psych major, take some other psych classes. It's a great minor for a lot of majors. It complements other majors really well. Education, CJ, movement science, even business and economics, social work. It just goes along so well with a lot of other areas. And I think I said in past podcasts that I'm teaching health psych in the fall. So if any of you are interested in taking that with me, you can still register for that. I'm teaching 2 sections. And health psych is great because you only need intro as a prereq. And it's just one of those areas of psychology that you're going to find it so useful. We talk about how to promote your own well-being, how to stay healthy, both psychologically and physically. What are some factors that contribute to that? We talk a lot about stress. I am also teaching a class on stress management, and the only prereq is intro. So if you wanted to specifically look at stress management and how do I deal better with kind of the stresses of life, that would be a great class to take. So I'm teaching that in the fall. I would love to see you guys there in my class. It was so sad that our semester got cut short. I know it's been super difficult for a lot of you. You guys have hung in there. So, you all deserve a big applaud for that because it's not been easy. But, that being said, as your professor, I kind of missed our interactions the rest of the semester. I mean, we've been interacting online and via email a lot, but I really like getting to know my freshmen, mainly because I see you guys throughout the rest of your years at Westfield, and I like to see how you guys grow and the different directions you go in and the exciting things that you take on in life. So please, at the very least, if you aren't going to take a class with me in the future, come stop by sometime and say hi. I'm in Wilson, 115C. You can always come by and say hi. Just let me know how you're doing and what you're up to. That would be great. I know some of you are doing honors thesis. So if you ever need a second reader for your project, you can consider me. If you need an advisor for your project, you can come talk to me. I would love to help any of you out. I've been either an advisor or a second reader on many honors projects. I've seen all kinds of different work and studies done, and it's always really fun, and it's always really satisfying and very gratifying to see what you guys do with what you learn. So Just wanted to throw that out there. Take a class with me, do an honors project, anything. But I really hope all of you guys do well with the rest of your semester. I hope you guys have a good summer. Maybe we'll be back to semi-normal. Who knows? But even if we're not, I wish you all the best of luck. I wish you good health and just to take each day as it comes and try to be positive with what we're given. The last thing is just your exam. So really the week is just participating in the discussion and then your exam. The exam covers chapters 14 and 15, so all about psychological disorders and treatment. Same format as before, everything's the same. You'll have 60 minutes to complete the exam. It's 40 questions. And that's it. So you'll have until Sunday the 3rd to take the exam. You can use the whole week or you can take it early and be done. It's totally up to you. But that is it. Okay, everybody. Wonderful semester. I hope to see you all in the future and just have a great rest of your summer. Bye, everybody.